Welcome back to TechKidFX for another GRT price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, and in this video I want to start the video by giving you the long-term outlook before I can narrow down to the short-term scenarios, where you can see that after seeing our bear market low down there, we started this massive bounce to the upside, where we first saw that one to set up to the upside. Then we saw the formation of that wave one, giving us a peak at around the $0.2325 mark. Then we saw a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that has now given us a low at around the $0.1053 mark. And having seen the formation of this second wave, whatever we expected next on the long-term scenarios was the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of that wave 3, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our minimum target areas. And this is what is going to give me the short-term scenarios, and I believe that is better seen here on the 1-hour chart. And before I jump to the 1-hour chart, it's good that I show you that today, later in the day, we have the FOMC meeting, and at that time of the FOMC meeting, I'm expecting a lot of volatility in the market, and that could also help us fully maximize the scenarios that I have here on the short-term scenarios, where you can see that after seeing our low on the 23rd of March, we saw that 5-wave structure to the upside, completing the formation of that wave 1. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2. And in the formation of this wave 2, which is a corrective wave, I have also been expecting to see an ABC corrective structure also play out, having the wave C fully maximizing our minimum target areas. And to get the minimum target area in the formation of this wave 2, I used the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, and that gave me a minimum retracement area between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78, which is a target area that lies between the $0.1405 mark and the $0.1205 mark, which is the target area within which I'm expecting to see the low for this second wave. And at the time of this recording, you can see that we have a low at around the $0.1274 mark, and that is the low for this wave A. Then we saw that overshooting wave B to the upside, giving us a peak at around the $0.1758 mark. And at the time of this recording, I'm expecting to see one more leg down in the formation of this wave C to fully maximize our target area. So there are high chances that in case the breakdown continues here on the GRT chart, we are going to see one more leg down below the $0.1274 mark in the formation of that wave 2. And once the low is in, then we can expect our massive pump to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, and also expect a 5-wave structure also play out. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios, and also on the long-term scenarios here on the GRT chart. And also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 37 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, suggesting further breakdown. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.